How to withdraw money from Bitget to True Money Cambodia. Now first of all, open your Bitget account and from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Now scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find this P2P. Now tap on it. Now select the sell option and now select the token that you want to withdraw. In this case it will be USDT. Now set the limit by typing on limit and now select 100 for example and tap on confirm. From the top right corner, select the currency that you want to receive your money on. And after that, to add or to select your bank, just tap on method. Now from the search bar, just search for your bank. It will be True Money. Now tap on it. After that, select the merchant that you want to sell your token to, and now just tap on it. And after that, tap on go to settings. And as you can see here, tap on add to add your bank account. Now search for your bank. And as you can see here, in this case, it will be True Money. Now tap on it. After that, provide the account number. And now the account number by this currency. And now say you can provide the remarks and now you can upload the QR code. After that, tap on confirm to add your True Money bank account. Now just after that, go back. And as you can see, you can sell, you can tap on sell to sell your USDT in order to receive your money. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to True Money. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.